In this tutorial, we will apply what we have learned about geometric proximity rules. We are going to set up a module to extract the first and last name of the person filling out the order form. In our extraction project, let's first create a blank extraction module by adding a new extraction module item and save it in our project as order form name. From the Toolbox panel, we'll drag a field item onto the module canvas, and in the Properties panel change the name property to first name. Again from the Toolbox panel, we'll drag a search item onto the module canvas so it is to the left of the field item, changing the name property of the search to first name value and the match within property to cell. This search will locate the value or target text, the name, which can be anything. Now we use provide results and parameters to connect the two items. With match within set to cell, the search will look in every cell, or set of words between a tab break, for a match of the regular expression, and since that pattern is the generic dot plus, it will return the group of words in every cell as a match. Next up, we add a second search onto the module canvas so it is below the value search item, and in the Properties panel of that search, change the name property to first name keyword. The search will locate the keyword text, and to do that we'll change the regular expression property to look for the specific text initials/first name. The search will find this phrase below the actual first name value. This is where we add our geometric proximity rule connector from the toolbox. We will connect from the keyword search to the value search component, indicating that the location of the keyword search result will be used to trim down the results within the value search, which generically returns groups of words from all cells in the document, to only those which satisfy the proximity condition. As we discussed in the previous tutorial, the geometric proximity rule uses the concept of regions, and we can adjust these in the Properties panel for the connector. We will leave the width of the default region as 1, or 1 times the width of the search result, but change the height to 0.25 inches, an explicit distance requiring that the value must be slightly closer to the keyword than the default suggestion. Due to the relative positions of the keyword search and value search items on the canvas, it is automatically inferred that the keyword text initials/first name will be south of the name, and that is the requirement of the rule. We will now repeat these steps to produce an analogous set of field, value search, keyword search and geometric proximity rule items for a field called last name with a keyword of surname because that's what is printed on the order form. Let's use Document Studio to test the extraction module that we just built. From the extraction menu, let's load the extraction configuration by browsing to the FBXLC file just like we did previously for the date module. The compiled extraction module is now referenced from Document Studio and is ready to use to extract our documents. From the extraction menu, we select Run All to process every document. The extraction module is run against the OCR within each PDF. The results are written to the first name and last name fields, which are displayed as new data columns, and the document viewer highlights the position of the extracted fields.